Hi everyone, it's your girl, Hey Planner Girl. Hey, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you guys the Pro Sticker Club pack from Pipsticks. It is the January 2023 pack, so grab a snack, come on back, and I'll show you what's inside. Hello friends, Happy New Year! It is February, but that's okay! This is the January 2023 pack. This is the zine. It's filled with so much information, little fun, cute things that you can scrapbook with, things to read. I am pretty stoked because, I like this 23 for 2023. I like this. Love this. They are changing the size of their zine. I am stoked. I can't wait to see what they do. And I have to tell you, I think I saw it on the Instagram. It is really, really cute. And I mean, I like this, the size, but truly it's, yeah, it takes up a lot of space. Okay, so in our Ziploc, we get our stickers. You guys, I hope you have like a few snacks. This sticker pack is unreal, first of all. Second of all, you're probably going to want to buy a second one. And I'll give you a hint. I totally did because I'm obsessive and compulsive. And anything 80s, okay, anything 80s, anything to do with like fun, toys, anything to do with that stuff, I am down for. I'm not joking. Like, okay. So, first of all, I'm going to give you a reason why I bought two. Okay, that's kind of really silly. So we get a die cut, and so I've come to realize in the Pipstick world, they have three beautiful sticker die cuts, right? And for this one, I think I'll post a picture. So there was like the banana clip, there was a scrunchie, and I think a crimper. And so I wanted the scrunchie really bad. But I do like this one because it reminds me of my mom, because when she would go to work, she would use these banana clips, and her hair was short, so she could do it. My hair has always been very long, so yeah. So I bought another pack, but I bought it with the scrunchie. I know, I'm weird. I'm loving it. Okay, so we get a postcard. What? Do you guys remember these pencils? And like, if you press way too hard, the lead would go down on it, and then your world was over, and then you basically had to just keep going. And then next thing you knew, in a matter of a day, your whole pencil did not work. That was me. I love this. That was always, I don't know, my teachers growing up always had these multicolored pens. It used to fascinate me. And now I am just obsessive, and I have my own, and I have a bunch of them somewhere, and I love these. Okay, so this is a cute postcard. Never giving it away. I'm gonna hoard it. It's mine. Sorry. It's mine. I love it. I'm gonna use it as a bookmark or somewhere in my planner. Okay, we get this beautiful, like not Save, I don't want to say Saved by the Bell, because it's not a Saved by the Bell thing. It is a true 80s, just the geometrics, the confetti, the zigzags, the color. It's so unreal. I am just loving this. And, you know, I was born in 1985, so it's not to say I was a true 80s baby, but it really trickled into the early 90s, so I love it. Okay. Going back to the postcard, we get the sticker version, and they're all different kinds. I think I had one of these, but mostly I always had these like dead end pencils. The Troll pencil topper, I always wanted one, never got one. I have a Bell pencil topper still from this day when I went to Disneyland, and I've kind of reorged my desk, so it's somewhere not close by. But I love stuff like this because I look out for stuff like this. This is from Dollar Tree, by the way. I got this a few years ago. Okay. Then, this is like, if anybody knows me in person, I have way too many of these. Yup. I wear leg warmers like crazy. I don't know if I can post a pic. Do I have a poster of myself wearing leg warmers? If I do, I'll post it up here. But I love leg warmers. I have them in every color. This is gonna sound so like whack, but like remember, like, for Canadians at least, Sears. I remember when Sears came out with some leg warmers, and they were so cute. So I bought them in black and white, and I think I bought them in gray. And I remember they had a purple. I was like, I don't want a purple. And now to this day, I wish I bought the purple because it's such a nice material. Anyways, I have a ton of leg warmers. These leg warmers are paired with like roller skates and stuff, but I wear them when I go shopping. Probably not so extreme, like two different colors. Like they're not like color block like this. Like they're just black. They're neutral colors. I'm probably like this person, right? I wear my leg warmer and my Adidas shoe, and I walk around the store, and I love it. It just, I love that stuff. Okay. We got this new glitter overlay. This is something so new to the Pipsticks world. I'm loving it. I think it's, what a dream, what a treat. Now, the camera, it's really hard to pick up the character. Okay, there we go. There we go. It's a unicorn and some rainbow, and I will stop doing that so I don't hurt your eyes. Okay, I'm not joking. You guys, this whole pack is just, ooh! Okay, these micro stickers, I was really anticipating them because I looked at the spoilers, because I'm now going to skip packs that I really don't want. So here's a hint. I think the February Kids pack is not my jam. If I get a chance, I'll post a picture, but when I do my February Pipstick stuff, I'll show you guys. Not my jam. This, I thought it had more holographic foil. I'm not mad at it, but I do love the squigglies. I love the hearts. I love the little doodles, and that's just perfect. It's a perfect filler for when I'm writing in my Hobonichi journal. Okay. The next one, Unreal. This is called The Teen Scene. Again, I apologize if it's not picking up, but it is unreal. I don't know if you can see anything. Is this just like a... Okay, does that help? Maybe. So there's like a Casio watch looking thing, candy heart necklace, a spray paint, some like bubble tape. What? And the font and everything's legit. The crimper, the burger phone, and yeah, I love. I'm sorry, and then my camera is going in and out of focus because of the glitter. Okay. I apologize. I don't know how to make that work, but it's there. Believe in it. Trust the process. Okay, another glitter overlay is this Rainbow Illusions. Wait, does this help if I bend it? No, that doesn't help. Okay. Again, Unreal. This is gorgeous in person. Okay, it is glitter, and there are stars, ice creams. I think that's helping. There we go. Rainbow stars, and it's perfect. And do we get some of that black outline? You do when you put it on your planner. So that's awesome. Okay, here, let's take a break from hurting your eyes. Look at this. Okay, so this is the artist down here. What? Banana clips, the scrunchies, the troll clips, the butterfly clips, these snap clips, which I used to love. These ones used to hurt my hair. Oh my gosh. This is just bringing me back to when I was a kid. I love it. Love. Don't get me wrong. I still have butterfly clips in these things, but you know, it was just a different vibe back then. This is paired with some holographic foil. It is just stunning. Okay. Bowling. What? Okay. So that's fun. Me and my friends and I, we would go bowling when we were in high school. There was a club called Club 300, and we would just go bowling and like chill and just, you know, I really sucked at bowling. I remember to the point where somebody came over. Like, I didn't suck. Like, I can get the ball moving, but it would like slam down on the wooden floor. Probably it would have broken the floor. And yeah, it's just, I don't know. Anyways, who cares? Okay, then we get this like letter glitter thing, letters. It has that like record feel to it, and it's really cute. There we go. I'm sure you can see it now. How cute is that? Perfect for just any lettering, you know, writing down snacks or whatever. Some more glitter overlay. Okay, this one I think you can see a lot better. The color must have been more vibrant, but they're suns and just brings me back to Sandy Lion vibes, which is a sticker company. I guess very similar to Miss Grossman. And we never really got Miss Grossman here in Ontario, I guess. I don't know. Very cute. All right, leading up to the end, we got a unicorn, big chunky sticker. I love this. Love that. Holographic foil rainbow. It is so, like, retro. It's perfect. Then we get some more glitter overlay, and these ones are different sayings like eat my shorts, bodacious, radical, gnarly. What? Very cool. I definitely want to do something in my memoir, maybe like some old school shows that I like or watched, Babysitter's Club. Okay, and then last but not least, and I'm sorry if I went really fast, it's just I really want to play with these stickers. We got these gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous hearts with the checkered rainbow. Oh my gosh, can you guys see why I had to buy a second one? I know, it's very obsessive compulsive, but I figured I'm skipping on the kids one anyway, so I got 2 of these ones. Wow, look at that. Look at this. This is stunning. Okay, it looks so much better in person. My friends, this is amazing. I'm so stoked to play with this stuff. Put it in my little memoir. Put it in my journal. I am so thrilled. I hope you enjoyed this Pipsticks sticker haul for January 2023. What a dream. What a treat. It is unreal. Retro vibes. Thank you so much, Pipsticks. I love it so much. So you guys, happy planning, happy stickering, and have a happy day. Bye, my friends.